How to solve the inverse of a rational function?
So let us know what is inverse one-to-one function. A one-to-one function's inverse can be understood as a staying function. However, it is a function from a y value back to its matching x value in the opposite manner.
The outputs of the function f are the inputs of inverse, so the range of function is also the domain of inverse. Likewise, because the inputs to function are the outputs of inverse, the domain of function is the range of inverse.
Important terms to remember. Domain, the set of all possible input values for the function. Range, the set of all possible output values for the function.
Steps to find the inverse of a one-to-one function. First, write the function in the form y equals f of x. Second, interchange the x and y variables. Third, solve for y in terms of x. And lastly, 4. Change y to f inverse of x. So, we have a given rational function here, f of x equals to 8x minus 3 over x minus 4. So in order to find out its inverse, we need to follow 4 steps. So first step, write the function in the form y equals f of x. So f of x here is changed into y, so it will become y equals to 8x minus 3 over x minus 4. Second step, interchange the x and y variables, so it will become x equals to 8y minus 3 over y minus 4. Third step, solve for y in terms of x. So it is understandable that x have a denominator of 1. So we just need to cross multiply it. X times y minus 4, 1 times 8y minus 3. X times y minus 4 equals to xy minus 4x. And y times 8y minus 3 is just equals to 8y minus 3. Then we group the like terms. So we end up with xy minus 8y equals to 4x minus 3. Then we just group the non-y terms in the xy minus 8y in a parenthesis, and so we end up with y open and close parenthesis x minus 8 equals to 4x minus 3. So we just need now to cancel the x minus 8 in the side of y. We cancel it by dividing itself, then dividing it to the other side too. So we end up with y equals to 4x minus 3 over x minus 8. Fourth step, change y to f inverse of x. So we will end up with f inverse of x equals to 4x minus 3 over x minus 8.
The domain of the function is 4 and the range of the function is 8. And the inverse of the domain is 8 and the range is 4. To get the domain of the function, the vertical asymptotes, which is the x minus 4, simply transpose x minus 4 equals 0 and will become x equals positive 4. And that is the domain of the function and range of the inverse. To get the range of the function, simply get the degree of the numerator and denominator. And in this problem, we have the x and x, so it is 1 equals 1. So it is y equals a over b equals 8 over 1 because it is the coefficient of the first term of the numerator and denominator. So 8 over 1 is equals to 8. The range of the function is the domain of the inverse.
For example number 2, we have fx equals to 4x plus 8 over 2x plus 4. So just observe how we did it.
For example number 3, just pause the video and solve for the inverse.